Hey guys, so today is going to be a simple one. We're just going to go over the vocabulary for chapter 10, the taking of the land. So if you go to your activity book, you can see on page 145, it'll show the vocabulary words. Okay, page 145. So, with the vocab words that we've had, all right, these words show up in each of the chapters, but these ones will show up in chapter 10, the taking of the land. Okay, so the first thing we see, so it says one next to it, and then it shows the word isolation. Okay, and then it shows the part of speech that's going to be in any type of definition. And this N, does anyone remember what the N stands for? It's a noun. Okay, and then it gives us the definition. A separation from other things or people. And then at the end, it says 83. Now, first thing, isolation is our vocab word. This is our part of speech. It's a noun, so that means it's a person, place, or thing, or animal. And then it gives us our definition, a separation from other things or people. This 83 tells us what page in our reader it will show up on. Another thing is, these vocab words go in order from what we will see first. So in this chapter, isolation will be the first vocab word we will see that will be in dark, bold, black ink. Okay? And isolation is a separation from other things or people. Now at the end of your reader book, actually, I don't know if I have one, there is a glossary. And the glossary actually gives us definitions for all these words as well. Okay, so number 2, revive. That is a verb because it has V, and then it's got a dot, and then it gives us the definition. To make someone or something strong, active, alive, or healthy again. And that is on page 87. Actually, hold on now, watch this. This is another thing it does. Now, actually, at the end of your definitions, you will see another word. This is another way to use revive. This is a revival, but it changes the parts of speech sometimes. So now it turns into a noun. You can be revived, and that might make you stronger, alive, or healthy again. It gives it back again. And there's a revival, like you can see a revival, something like that happening. Okay? So that's how they use the word revival as a noun. And then we have revive as a verb. Okay? Number 3. Now you guys can just follow along. I'm just writing these up here so we can all see them. Let me see. Let's read. Petition. It's got the N, so what kind of speech is that? A noun, and that is a written request signed by many people asking someone with, someone in power to do something. Okay? And that is on page 88. Okay? And we sign a petition. It's a written request signed by many people asking someone in power to do something. So sometimes people write petitions to governors, mayors, presidents, right? Asking them, can you do this? Now they don't just write a petition to someone that can't. That's not going to work. They're going to write a petition to someone who they know may have the ability to change or help them. Okay? No one's writing a petition to me to change voting in the United States. I don't have power to change it, even if they did write a petition. But they might write something to like the House of Representatives or Congress or the president. Okay? Dealing with things like that. And number 4 is sustenance. That is a N. That's a noun, a person, place, or thing. And that's food or drink that gives nourishment and keeps someone or something alive. And that is also on page 88. Okay? Sustenance. Not substance or substance. It's sustenance. A noun. It's a thing. It's a food or drink that gives nourishment and keeps someone or something alive. So it cannot just be anything that you can put in your mouth and eat. It's got to be a food or drink. Sustenance to us is not a handful of sand. That's not going to keep us alive. Okay? But maybe some water will keep us alive. It does give nourishment. Maybe a peanut butter sandwich. Maybe macaroni and cheese. Things like that that can actually give you nourishment and help you stay alive. Okay? So the 4 words, isolation, which is when you separate yourself from other things or people. You can isolate yourself maybe in your room where you don't want to be around anyone. Revive is to make someone or something not. Now remember, it's not just alive. You can revive someone, and you guys may have done it in like video games, by making them stronger or active. Maybe you bring someone up from the dead in some of those video games. Alive or healthy again, so they're coming back. There's a revival. A petition, not just any request. It's got to be a written request signed by many people asking someone in power to do something. So it's not just me writing it. Most likely you're going to have a lot of people write a petition or they're going to sign it. Okay? And then the last one is sustenance. It's a food or drink that gives nourishment and keeps someone or something alive. Okay? Those are the 4 vocab words for the next chapter. Our next chapter is called The Taking of the Land.